Hello everyone and welcome to my daily disaster news channel. The information in the video shows an incident on February 2nd, 2022 in Mauritius. Thousands of homes were left without power in Mauritius on Wednesday as powerful cyclone winds battered the Indian Ocean island nation. Tropical cyclone Betsirai passed within about 130 kilometers of the holiday paradise. It brought heavy downpours and winds of around 120 km per hour, with a peak of 151 km per hour recorded in the capital Port Louis. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.